Aloha everybody, today we'll be doing how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So, play my intro. Oh my god, did it break? Hi! Come and watch my YouTube channel. Okay, so just remember, guys, don't worry, okay? It's not the opposite side. So what I mean by when I go like this, or when I turn this way, you turn this way. Because, like, I'm actually standing behind the camera, so, like, yeah. Okay, but anyways, first we gotta mix it up, so. Got it. Okay, so the first step here is solving white. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to get the white, like 3 whites together. So you need to get, like, this is supposed to be another white here. So hold on. Let me see if I can. Okay, so you're supposed to get it like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then what you want to do is the other white, which is right here, should be at the bottom of the wrong color. So it should be here, here, at the bottom of this, here, 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 and here. Okay, so now my one is over here, so that's good. And then we're going to do this algorithm. So it's right inverted, bottom counterclockwise, right, bottom clockwise. Right inverted, bottom counterclockwise, right, bottom clockwise, right inverted, bottom counterclockwise, right, bottom clockwise, right inverted. Just keep repeating that until you get white. So, yeah, right? So then, use on the top one, on the top thingy, block thingy, you should have at least one match. I have all matches, but if you only have one match like this, you don't need to do this. Okay, you don't need to do this, guys. Okay, if you only have one match, like there's only one pair here, no pair here, no pair here, no pair here, then do this algorithm. But if you have nothing, then do this algorithm 2 times. So if you have one pair, do this. But also make sure the pair is facing away from you. Right inverted, bottom counterclockwise, right. Left inverted, bottom clockwise, left. Right inverted, bottom counterclockwise, right. Okay, so now, like I said before, if you didn't have any matching pairs, and if you did the algorithm that I just did, do it one more time, and I'll do it one more time for you guys. So, right inverted, bottom counterclockwise, right. Left inverted, bottom clockwise, left. Right inverted, bottom clockwise, no, bottom counterclockwise, right, and then you should have all of it. Okay? Okay, so, yeah. Now, go to the bottom, and this next step will be solving yellow. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to pick it up, and yellow will be solved. I'm joking. Okay, so you want to have yellow at the bottom, okay? If you don't have yellow, doesn't matter, okay? But if you have 2 yellows, make sure it's on your right, okay? And if you have 1 yellow, make sure it's on the bottom left, okay? I have 2, so it's on my right. And now, then do this algorithm. even if you don't have any yellows, still do this album. Like, right, top counterclockwise, right inverted, top counterclockwise, right, top counterclockwise 2 times, and then right inverted. And then now I have 1 yellow, so I got to put it to my bottom left and do this. Right, top counterclockwise, right inverted, top counterclockwise, right, top counterclockwise 2 times, and then right inverted. And then I have another one, so I put it on my bottom left and do the same thing. Okay, so I did that until I got yellow. But if you still don't have it, just keep doing it, and I assure you, you'll get yellow. Okay. So then, after that, what you wanna do is you wanna look for a matching pair. So I got a matching pair. It was just twisted, just like this. So like, boom, I got yellow, blue, and white. Okay, so you got 3. But if you don't have any, then just stay calm. Okay, so you have your matching pair, right? Face it away from you and do this algorithm. And if you don't have any matching pairs, still do this algorithm. Okay, so make sure it's facing away from you and do this. Right inverted, face clockwise, right inverted, back face counterclockwise 2 times, right, face counterclockwise, right, back face counterclockwise 2 times, right 2 times, back face counterclockwise 2 times, and twist. Top clockwise, yeah. So then you have it. So yeah. Okay, guys. So remember when I said that if you don't have any like another color to twist to, right? Then when we're doing the yellow, right? Then what you want to do is you want to do the thing, the right inverted face clockwise thingy 2 times, okay? So I'm going to do the algorithm that I just did 2 times, okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, so that's the end of my video. Please make sure to like, subscribe if you want to see more videos. So, bye! Okay, guys, so you gotta see what Sarah Boy did. He just gotta see it. Dad, do you really have to play this? I don't want to show it, but it's funny. But then I have to do the buy thing again. So then do it. Fine. So what you want to do is you want to get oh my god, hold on. Oh no, I think I just broke it. Okay, guys, hold on. Okay, guys, the Rubik's Cube actually broke. Only these pieces are left. Okay, so I gotta go to the store and buy one. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. Actually, I just want to put this part on camera. Okay, now I can say bye. Yeah, say it. Okay, yeah.